Our Daily Bread, Daily Devotional, August 13th, titled, Doing Our Part. A runner at a school track meet crossed the finish line just ahead of his nearest rival. A bystander, noticing that the winner's lips were moving during the last couple of laps, wondered what he was saying, so he asked him about it. "I was praying," the runner answered. Pointing to his feet, he said, "I was saying, 'You pick him up, Lord, and I'll put him down.'" That athlete prayed for God's help, but he also did what he could to answer his own prayer. When we ask God for help, we must be willing to do whatever we can, using whatever means he gives. When Hezekiah heard that he was going to die, he prayed for a miracle, and God promised to extend his life 15 years. Then Isaiah gave instructions to place a lump of figs on the troublesome boil. God did the healing, but he used human effort and natural means. A couple of children were walking to school one morning when it suddenly dawned on them that unless they really hurried, they were going to be late. One of them suggested that they stop and pray that they wouldn't be tardy. The other one replied, "No, let's just pray while we run as fast as we can." When we ask the Lord to do something, we must also be ready to do our part. Pray as if everything depends on God. Work as if everything depends on you. 2 Kings 20, 1-7. In those days, Hezekiah became ill, and he was at the point of death. The prophet Isaiah, son of Amoz, went to him and said, "This is what the Lord says. Put your house in order, because you're going to die. You will not recover." Hezekiah turned his face to the wall and prayed to the Lord. "Remember, O Lord, how I have walked before you faithfully and with wholehearted devotion, and have done what is good in your eyes." And Hezekiah wept bitterly. Before Isaiah had left the middle court, the word of the Lord came to him. "Go back and tell Hezekiah, the leader of my people, this is what the Lord, the God of your father David, says. I have heard your prayer and seen your tears. I will heal you. On the third day from now you will go up to the temple of the Lord. I will add 15 years to your life, and I will deliver you and the city from the hand of the king of Assyria. I will defend the city for my sake and for the sake of my servant David." Then Isaiah said, "Prepare a poultice of figs." They did so and applied it to the boil, and he recovered. Have a blessed day.